I've partnered with our friends over at iDesign and the Home Edit to help a family that desperately needs some help getting their pantry in order. Some of you may already know that I am one of iDesign's brand ambassadors, and I will be sharing how you can implement your organization products and more into your home. The homeowner tried to organize and reorganize. She tried all kinds of systems that worked for a little while, but after assessing the situation and talking to the homeowner, she had a lot of unnecessary items that just did not belong in her pantry. A lot of her items she didn't use for years, so we did the big purge, going through each item and getting rid of expired foods, just making sure that the food was safe to eat. As you can see, I had to get this pantry in shape. I replaced the wire racks with new ones, and I gave the closet a fresh coat of white paint, and I also added this peel and stick floor tile to the floor for a little pop of color. One of the issues for the family was that they couldn't really see inside. It was really dark, so I installed this battery operated ceiling light that's just fabulous and has given the pantry wonders because now they can see everything and everything is easier for them to maintain. Here's a little reminder of the before, and here's the after. The lighting made such a huge difference. Everything is fresh and clean and easy to maintain. Anytime I go into someone's home to organize, I personally like to sit down and talk to them because I'm customizing this space according to their needs. The family are very big cereal eaters, and the iDesign and the Home Edit cereal canisters are just wonderful. It has an airtight seal, flip-up pour spout for easy pouring, and it's pretty large. They're great for storing those large boxes of cereal while keeping it fresh, and I place them on the top shelf for easy convenience, and they can see when the cereal is getting low. I see this a lot when I go into homes. Open boxes of pasta. The iDesign and the Home Edit pantry canisters are to the rescue. These are perfect for all kinds of shapes and sizes of pasta, especially lasagna noodles. These canisters fit up to 2 boxes of any pasta. Below, I'm using the iDesign and the Home Edit 3-tier shelf that expands up to 19 inches. It's great for easy viewing and it's easy to just grab and go. The other system she had worked okay, but this was way better for her needs. Every hard-working pantry deserves a turntable. The iDesign 9 and 11.5-inch turntable is perfect for your pantry or even your countertops. I'm using one on her shelf to store her cooking sprays, vinegars, oils, and syrups that are easy to access with just a little spin. The iDesign and the Home Edit open front stacking pantry bin is my absolute favorite tool to use in a pantry. It's an all-purpose bin that can be used in your pantry, plus they're stackable and I love using them for grab-and-go snacks and drinks. The iDesign and the Home Edit divided freezer bins are ideally made for your freezer. It's perfect for bagged fruits and veggies, and they are great to use in a deep freezer for stacking, but you can also use them in your pantry. And the great thing is that you can remove the divider if you need to place larger items inside. For safety, if you need to place big items in your pantry, I highly recommend that putting heavier items on the bottom shelf or on the floor, but when you do, be sure to use a bin or a basket to contain those items, and that will help keep you organized. The homeowner already had these beautiful baskets, and I love that they have handles on them to pull it out when they need to. While assessing their pantry, I wanted to take a quick peek inside their fridge. She had cleaned it and already picked up a few groceries. It was pretty decent. Again, looking at what they use most and getting containers for those items. The new iDesign and the Home Edit large berry bin has an insert to keep berries away from moisture, and it doubles as a full-size colander. They also come with lids for easy stacking. You have seen where I've used the iDesign turntable in laundry rooms, but you can certainly use them inside your fridge, making it easy to access your everyday essentials. I'm also using the new iDesign and the Home Edit large divided fridge bin. Can also be used for veggies, and I'm using theirs for yogurts and cheeses. Again, the lids are removable and the containers are stackable. The iDesign and the Home Edit egg bins hold up to 15 eggs. The tray is removable for easy cleaning. It has modular stacking with or without the lid, and with the Home Edit products like the small fridge bin, the produce bin, and the fridge drawer. Having an organized pantry will save you time because you're not wasting time looking for items. It will also save you money because you're not going to overbuy. And of course, energy. When you have to unpack your groceries, it will make things so much easier, you guys. I promise you, when you have to place them inside the pantry. I hope this has been helpful to you guys. I will provide product links to all the organizational products shown in this video, and I want to thank you all for watching.